Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be flipping through my memory planner for 2023. This planner is a classic happy planner in a vertical layout, but there are some horizontal ones mixed in as well. I have completed, even though this one technically isn't completed, 6 years in a happy planner. I like this as a complementary notebook that goes along with my 12 by 12 Project Life album. Sometimes more of the story is in here, and it's just fun. I think this one is just kind of like a small creative outlet. When I have 10-15 minutes, I can get this one done in between other projects, which is why I appreciate it. So the cover is one that it's just the inside portion of this one. This was last year's. I tend to like the inside covers better than what they put intended for the front, but that's neither here nor there. Okay, so I will flip through as much as I can and mention product. I tend to do that on my flip throughs. That way, in case you are looking for something, I can direct you to it, and less towards the stories because I'm sure I already went over the stories during the process videos. And there is a whole playlist for the process videos in here too. I tend to film them as well. In case you are new to my channel, I do have process videos for my memory planner. Okay, so like I said, it is a classic size, and let's start off with January. I rarely use the monthly. I kind of make it as like a ephemera collection for the month. So clearly we went to Crumble. There is a Tuesday morning. I missed Tuesday morning. That is now since then closed. The plant store, these were fragrances in my wall plugs, and a pair of sneakers of Peppa Pig. This was using a collection from Tracy Reed. This was a design team project when I was on her design team. So, and then this is a flip up too, which is always fun. So stories, and this is all, like I said, a scrapbooking digital kit from Tracy Reed. This was using stickers from Planet Darby. I was on her design team during this time, as well as Tracy Reed, so their products are integrated into this project for some of my design team requirements. This one was also a flip. And then this is some stamping. I know that this is a stamp from Heidi Swapp. Once again, these are stickers from Planet Darby, and then all of my layout photos are on the bottom. I like this layout. It's simple. It's an easy way. So if you're new to memory planning, even if you do this every week for the first month until you get your groove and put some stickers that you like in the middle, great basic initial layout to keep. And then I did some paint splatters. This was using, the flowers are from Planet Darby again. That stamp set is from L Studio. And then this little element and this little element are from Stop the Blur by Heidi Swapp. So they're little interactive moments. I did give Stop the Blur a try last year for the last 3 months. I liked it, but I didn't like it simply because it got too bulky. And as you work on it, it never laid flat on this side of the page because of those previous weeks. So I have the elements of Stop the Blur in here because I like to take out the 2 pages I'm working on and be able to work on them flat, is why I kind of went back and forth. And then I did like a currently page but never filled it in. Once again, these are stickers from Planet Darby. Once again, just ephemera from the month. A squishmallow right there. These are wall plugs. Doing my nails. Things like that. These floral stickers, Live Love Posh. That's my favorite kind of sticker book company. And then these Everything Bagel stickers are from Katie with the Plan, Kate Plans. It's an Etsy store. I just loved, I actually should, and I brought the printable, so I should make that again. I love Everything Bagels and Cream Cheese. It was just so funny of a sticker to have. And then I love all her sentiments because bagels are a key to my heart. Bagels, you are my everything. You are the cream cheese to my bagel. Like, stop it. It's so cute. I love this layout. Love it, love it. Here is a sticker sheet from Planet Darby once again. This was actually the set that I designed with her. So it was called like Valentine, T-A-I at the end. It was really cute. So I like them. I love the color scheme. So pink, red, and then like that tealy blue, green color. Planet Darby stickers once again. I try to use the functional sticker boxes because she's a planner babe for stickers with decorative elements. So she has a lot of functional ones, and I wasn't using them. And I was kind of like her memory planner babe on the team, so I needed to sort of incorporate them in a creative way. So I just use them as the story marcations for everything. And then the paint splatter stickers are also hers. Once again, love this one. These are her stickers. These are her like signature Darby blooms. She does them in different colorways. So this is the like, I forgot, were they strawberry, or I think they were a design team naming it like Holly's Blooms or something, but they're the pink, yellow, orange, and purpley ones. Very cute. This was a quick layout for Tracy Reed. So just the one page in here, taking Valentina to see some friends. This was also a design team project for Tracy Reed. My car got broken into twice last year. And I'm from the Bronx. And I think I got my car broken into once in my life living in the Bronx. Twice in 1 year. And I live in Florida suburbia. Absolute bullshit. Sorry for my cussing. Like, truly. And this day right here, when this happened, this one was actually on Valentine's Day. Like my daughter's Valentine's Day box with all her little Valentines and lollipops and little heart-shaped notes was scattered all over the floor with them trying to find something in my car. Ugh, awful. I'm glad I have that in there. Here we are again with just ephemera. I got a new perfume that month. And just, some stickers. And these are all like price tags off of stuff I probably bought Vale. These are Live, Love, Posh once again. And that's all of them. Yeah, that's all of them. These are all Planet Darby. I love this layout too, with kind of this whole simplicity of all the stickers, all the photos, and then all the writing in between. And then I love also, you see me change up my ink color. I love doing that for my ink to match the stickers. So this is like a gold. Looks really good. Planet Darby stickers once again. You see this is a horizontal layout. And then this is a stamp set from Allie Edwards that I must have gotten that month. And I just matched it to the colors here. Again, changing the ink. Planet Darby stickers once again. I think I did this online. That was kind of like a fallback to layout. So these are all like spring and picnicky. Another layout. So she did the butterflies in 2 colorways, clearly. And I just never went back for my journaling. Oh, well, but the layout was done. Okay, I did an order at a cherry on top. And then this is where I drop off the wagon. So I also had printed the photos, clearly, and stuck them in, but never did anything with them. I think that's where I already was trying to catch up. And then truly May, June, July, August. These are all blank. I'm sorry, guys. Like I said, this one was incomplete. What I like to say here is that when I started, April was when I started my first volume. Does it say April? Yep, April 2023 to October 23 was my volume. Oh, that was volume 2. So volume 1, was before that. So this is when I just got in a good rhythm with the 6x8 storytelling. And this kind of fell to the wayside. And don't get me wrong, I'm very sad that it did. So in October, I attempted it. These are all Live, Love, Posh, just haven't journaled. And then I attempted it again. Live, Love, Posh. Never journaled. And then for November, I have caught up because those are the 2 videos you see on my channel. So this one and this one were done for a cherry on top. So these are all just elements that you can get from a cherry on top. And then the middle 2, this one and this one, are the ones I did for my Coco Daisy because I'm on their design team now. So pretty. So now November is caught up. I never do December in here because I do December daily. So that is where this one shall rest. Like I said, it's not complete, but we're going to leave it. I'm not going to go back. I am not the type to go back because right now, even from this, I have my 6x8 complete, which tells some of those summer stories. I have my Project Life complete, which I did complete my last journaling card today. And I'm filming this on the 6th. So my 2023 Project Life is done. So the pictures are printed, documented, and stories are told. They're just not in here. And I'm okay with that. I will put this on the shelf proudly as a completed album. And I have my next one lined up. So if you're new here, I do have it lined up, ready to go. And and we're ready to go. So I will have the first week in January up soon once we have a picture for tomorrow, so Sunday, or if I usually try to put 1 picture a day, but it's okay if it doesn't work out that way. So yes, thank you so much for joining. I will leave the links to as much of the websites and products I use down below. So Planet Darby, Live Love Posh are the sticker books I like, Tracy Reed. And then what else? Oh, and I'll put the playlist linked in the description box too, in case you want to go back. But I also have plenty of content because I've been, like I said, been doing it. And this is the second year I did it in a classic. The ones previous, so I did 6 years. So 4 years are all done in a big, and then the last 2 years are classic. I stay rather consistent. I do like this project. So thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.